Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take a break on Messenger. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. You must deactivate your Facebook account in order to deactivate the Messenger account. This is because Facebook Messenger, which depends on your Facebook account to work, is fully integrated into the Facebook platform. Now open the Facebook app from your app library. Click the menu in the lower right corner here. Here select Privacy and Settings, then select Settings. Next, navigate to the Account Setter page. The password and security, your details and permissions, add preferences, payments, and finally, Meta Verified are all under Account Settings. Open Personal Details from the list. Here you will have the option Account Ownership and Control. Tap it. On this page, open Deactivation and Deletion. Now select your Facebook account. On this page, choose Deactivate Account here, then hit Continue. Tap Continue to proceed on this page. Along with the deactivation of your Facebook account, your Messenger account will also be closed. And that is how to take a break on Messenger. Note, if you decide to reactivate your Facebook account later, Messenger will also be reactivated. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.